Hello everyone, I'm Srinidhi. If you guys are new to my channel, I do videos related to beauty tips, homemade remedies, haul videos, fashion related videos and Bollywood updates. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. So today in this video, I'm gonna review this product, that is Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. So this product claims that it refreshes and clarifies, keeps skin oil free, and it works for all skin types. So does this product claims whatever it said? So come, let's see its detailed review and how I apply this toner on my face. So before reviewing this product, let us know what is toner. Toner is generally used to cleanse your skin and shrink the appearance of the pores, and it is best for those who are having oily skin. So coming to this product, Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner package is very sturdy. It comes with a pale blue plastic tube with almost opaque, and you can see how much product is left inside your bottle, with a flip top cap with a small medium hole to put the product. So the package is almost sturdy and it can be easily tossed into your handbag while traveling. So coming to the cost, so this is really inexpensive compared to the toners, compared to other toners. So this costed around 85 rupees for 100 ml bottle. So this easily comes around 1 month for me, and this product is a non-alcoholic product. So let's just see the key ingredients of this product. So it contains citrus lemon, which is a very effective cleanser, helps to remove those dead skin cells, leaving the soft, supple and smooth skin. Next, it contains Masura, which helps to deep cleanse your pores, give back you the lost nutrients like proteins. And it contains the Boravia roots, which helps to control the excess oil secretion in your skin and gives you that soft and radiant looking skin. So now I'll show you how I use this product. I generally wash my face with some face wash and then use this toner. So in cotton, I'm taking a product into the cotton, so you need very less quantity for the effective use. So gently swipe all over your face. So once you use this and swipe your face with it, you will be surprised to see how much dirt it gathers from your face, and even after instant cleansing. The best part is it's herbal and also alcohol free. So it takes off all the residual layer of impurities on the skin and makes it clean and soft. It doesn't make the skin look oily at all, but I highly doubt how it would be performing on the dry skin. So the toner doesn't sting or irritate the skin at all. It gives you a soothing sensation, and I experienced no breakouts at all. So the ingredients in the list is also quite nice for the product, and I just loved it without any side effects. It worked on my skin. So now let's just discuss some of the pros and cons of this product. So coming to the pros of this product, so it's a travel friendly product and an affordable one, and while applying you will not feel any sticky or greasy feel, and it can be applied without any side effects, and it does make your skin look soft, smooth and radiant. And the biggest point of this product is that it's a non-alcoholic product and it really tones well. So coming to the cons, so for me, I didn't find any much cons regarding this product, but I'm not sure how it works for extremely dry skin and people with the large pores. I think it might not work for the people with the large pores. So no doubt it's a great product, but not an extraordinary one. It really tones your skin well, and mine is almost empty and I need to order the second one. I leave all the links of this product in the description box. Do check it out. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.